There we have an iPad Air M2, and today I will show you a few tips what you can do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated by remote. How to activate it? You will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But if still not for a tablet, let's start from the simplest way, so just reset the Bluetooth connection, just switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your tablet. In the next step, let's open the settings, go to the general and select reset, transfer or reset iPad. Click on the reset button and choose network settings. Now you have to enter your passcode and that's it. In the next step, you can also try to update your system. So go to the general, select the software update, and if you have any updates, just install it and check for your device again. And basically, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.